Welcome to Drawlipper channel. Today I am going to show you how to check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to digital well-being and parental controls. Now from here you can check your screen time. You can see today in my phone screen time is 4 hours and 40 minutes and you can check yours from here. Also if you tap here and from here you can check your screen time dashboard. If you want to see app details, just tap on apps and here it is. If you tap on categories and here it is. Now if you go back and then tap on this icon, now from here you can check your weekly screen time details. Now if you go back again and from here you can set timers for any app. And that is how you can check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.